In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort files by file size in Google Drive. Start by signing into Google Drive in your web browser. Once you're in, the key area you want is on the left side of the screen. Look for the section labeled Storage and click it. This takes you to a dedicated view that focuses on what's using space in your account, so you don't have to hunt through folders one by one. On the Storage page, Google Drive automatically lists your files with the largest items at the top by default. Think of this as your quick snapshot of what's taking up the most room. You'll see a neat table with columns that include the file name and, most importantly, the size. This view pulls together items that count toward your storage, which makes it perfect for understanding how your space is being used at a glance. If you prefer to flip the order and see the smallest files first, just click the Storage Used column header at the top of the list. Clicking that header toggles the sort. One click changes it to ascending order, and clicking again switches it back to descending. Watch for the small arrow next to the header to confirm the direction of the sort, so you always know whether you're looking at the largest or the smallest files first. A few quick tips can make this even easier. If your window is narrow and you don't immediately see the storage used column, widen the browser or scroll the table horizontally to reveal it. You can also drag the column dividers to resize them, which helps when you want longer file names or bigger size values to be fully visible. And if the left sidebar is collapsed, expand it so you can select storage without searching around. As you browse, keep in mind that certain file types, like videos and high-resolution images, tend to be the biggest space users, while native Google files such as docs, sheets, and slides usually take up very little space. Sorting by size shows you those heavy hitters right away, which is especially helpful if you're trying to understand your storage at a glance. That's all there is to it. Log into Google Drive, open the Storage tab on the left, review the automatically sorted list of your largest files, and click the Storage Used header anytime you want to reverse the order. Simple, fast, and clear. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you stay on top of your Google Drive storage with confidence.